it's our kind of space. Two wheels rolling, engines roar. We're living free, can't ask for more. A Harley, an Indian, or an old machine, it don't matter, we ride in between. Bound by the road and the stories we tell. Born to be wild, free as hell. We are bikers, brothers in the night. Ran for freedom, feeling the light by the fire. Whiskey in hand, bound together across this land. The rumble of thunder, the crackling flame. Different bikes, but we're all the same. A knot on the road, a wave on the side. It's more than respect, it's our pride. Leather and steel, dust and sun. We live by the code, out on the run. A brotherhood born of asphalt and fire. Our spirits high and our dreams higher. We are bikers, brothers in the night. Ran for freedom, feeling the light by the fire. Whiskey in hand, bound together across this land. When the day fades out, the stars shine clear. We find our truth with nothing to fear. The road is long, the nights grow cold, but with each mile our stories unfold. From coast to coast we ride as one, in rain or shine till the day is done. Beneath the leather a beating heart, connected by fire, never far apart. Raise a glass to the road, the ride, the friends, to every mile and the places it ends. Together we stand, no need for words. We feel the freedom in the rumbling herds. We are bikers, brothers in the night. Ran for freedom, feeling the light by the fire. Whiskey in hand, bound together across this land. Here's to the bikes, the road, the sky. To every rider passing by. We're living loud, we're living free. Here's to us, here's to liberty.